I'm going to demonstrate how to install a turn signal controller. This turn signal controller provides two functions: precise variable delay and the length of delay for your turn indicators, as well as four-way flasher or hazard light functionality using the standard Lucas switch. It can be installed in positive or negative ground vehicles and installs very quickly, as I'll show you. We've got a model here of the typical wiring you'd find in an MGA 1600 or any other vehicle that uses the Lucas switch and has separate rear indicator and rear brake lights. Shortly we'll show you how to install the turn signal controller in vehicles equipped with a brake relay, such as the MGA 1500. The model we built to demonstrate this is very simple. Got the right indicators, front and rear, left indicators, front and rear, flasher unit, and the switch. Currently, if I close the right switch, the indicators come on. When I let go of the switch, the indicators go off, and that's because the delay mechanism within the switch is currently faulty and does not work properly. Same situation for the left. Close the left switch, indicators come on. When I release the switch, indicators go off. So to solve that, we need to install the turn signal controller, as well as to add a four-way flasher or hazard light functionality. First step is to disconnect the power, and then we disconnect the three wires connected to the back of the switch. The turn signal controller is relatively small, a little bit smaller than your turn signal itself, fit easily underneath the dashboard, and has 8 wires. The gray wire in this setup is connected to the vehicle power. In this model currently it's set up as the vehicle power being positive, but I guess it'll work in a negative or positive ground vehicle. Very little current draw, approximately 50 milliamps at maximum when it's in use, and less than 0.6 milliamps when the indicator's not on. So the gray goes to the vehicle power. The blue wire out of the turn signal controller goes to the left signal, and for this demonstration I'll just connect them temporarily with some morettes. In a typical installation in your vehicle you'd use a butt connector or similar. The yellow goes to the wire which was previously connected to the common or the F terminal of your switch. And the orange goes to the right signal. Purple wire goes to your vehicle ground, in this case currently set up as a negative ground vehicle. The white goes to the right terminal of your switch. The green goes to the left terminal of the switch. And the brown goes to the common or the F terminal of the switch. Reconnect the power. Now when I turn on the left indicator and release the switch, the indicator stays on for the duration of delay. Currently it's set approximately 3 seconds. Turn on the right indicator, the indicator comes on for the length of delay which is set, again approximately 3 seconds currently, and then goes off. And if I hold the indicator closed in either direction for greater than 2 seconds, four-way flashers or the hazard lights come on. Now these will stay on until they are cancelled by closing the switch in either direction. Again, if I close the switch for more than 2 seconds, hazard lights or four-way flashers come on, and these will stay on until cancelled. Adjusting the length of delay on the indicator is very simple. Open up the back of the controller. Just have 2 screws in here currently to speed up this demonstration. And inside we've got a pitometer. It's a single turn pitometer, so be very careful when adjusting this. It's a precise instrument and you don't want to provide any unnecessary force or you'll damage it. Full counterclockwise has a minimum delay of about 3 seconds. Full clockwise has a delay of approximately 3 minutes. So I'll increase the delay slightly here. Let's increase the delay, turn on the indicator. Now the length of delay has been extended. Very easy to do and very precise. Now, in terms of functionality, if the left indicator is on, I can cancel it by hitting the left indicator again or closing the left indicator again. Same on the right. If the right indicator is on, I want to cancel it early, turn right again. The left indicator is on and the right switch is closed, left is shut off, and the right comes on. The right indicator is on, we indicate left, the right is shut off, left comes on. And it can be canceled early by going consecutively twice in the same direction. And again, as I said before, holding the switch open, closing the switch for more than 2 seconds causes the four-way flashers to come on. The controller, as I said before, works in either a positive or negative ground vehicle. Demonstrate that by switching the polarity. Currently it was set up as a negative ground. I'll change that to a positive ground. And we have the same functionality. So very easy to install, provides precise adjustment of your delay, allows for the functionality of four-way flashers or hazards which aren't standard on the MGA or similar vehicles, and installs quite quickly and with positive or negative ground vehicles. When you do install this and you are looking to use the four-way function or hazard light functionality, you'll have to upgrade your stock flasher. It just doesn't have the current capacity to operate 4 flashing lights at the same time.